Hi, that's me, Jetlag Liv, and I'm currently on the Florida Beach Tour, where I'm hunting down the best Florida beaches so you don't have to. And I'm cleaning up a bit while I'm at it. Come and join in on the gorgeous water, the good vibes, and that famous Florida sunshine, and get the inside scoop on Florida beaches from a local. Welcome to the Florida Beach Tour. What is up, people? And welcome to the Florida Beach Tour Season 2. So Florida Beach Tour 2021, baby. It starts right now. We're at Cocoa Beach, Florida, which is a really popular spot for the kind of surfy vibes and drinks on the beach and just that kind of laid back, chill Floridian vibe, if you will. Tons of tourists hit up this beach, and today I'm gonna play one. I'm gonna be a tourist, show you Cocoa Beach, and have an amazing beach day. Let's go! It's time to get a little more comfortable. That's me! Alright, so one of the main things about Cocoa Beach is the pier. So you'll hear the Cocoa Beach Pier. That's where everybody goes. There's a nice tiki hut bar at the very end of it, overlooking the gorgeous water. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. But we ended up coming to a parking spot. There's a few blocks down from the pier. The parking is significantly cheaper than if you stay at the pier, which is 20 bucks. I said, no ma'am, no ma'am. So we're paying $2.50 an hour for this parking spot, and I'm going to show you what the entryway looks like. I'll link the exact road name down below, so if you're ever in the area, it's probably a good spot. So let me go ahead and show you the very beginning of the beach. Alrighty, so this is the entrance. We've got Cocoa Beach welcomes you right there, super cute. So this walk is going to take you over these dunes and show you the beautiful water of Cocoa Beach. Let's go.
I let you in before I even knew who you were. Your hair was just so golden, 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 and your eyes were also golden, 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 golden. All my dreams are now golden, 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 golden. I wonder where did you go? I have to know. Golden.
But as you guys can see, there's the pier down there and some gorgeous waves. Not too rough today, and it looks pretty clear. I don't know. And there's a Seth. Before we hit the beach, we actually stopped at Acai Express, which is a delicious acai place around a few minutes south, I think. But let's go ahead and hit Olivia and Seth in the field and see what they have to say. All right, Olivia, Seth and Olivia in the field here. We've got acai bowls from Acai Express. I got the Cocoa Beach bowl. It's got almond, peanut butter, banana, coconut, hemp. Does mine have hemp? No, but the granola is delicious. How about yours?
Mine's good. I forget what it was supposed to come with, but it's good.
Cheers. All right,
Cheers.
Olivia, back to you. Thanks, Liv in the field. Now, let's get to a very important announcement. All right, guys, in this season of the Florida Beach Tour, we're going to be incorporating something extra special into each and every episode. We're going to be incorporating eco-friendly ways that we can protect our oceans. All right, so in this episode specifically, we're going to talk about switching out single-use plastics for reusables. Like this. I've been recently paying a lot of attention to if I'm using plastic bottles or not, and instead of using those single-use plastics that often enough end up in our ocean, 80% of plastics that end up in landfills find their way into the ocean, which is super sad. And obviously the animals ingest it and it kills them, impacting the entire ecosystem. So anyway, I have been trying my best to switch out all my single-use plastics for reusable water bottles and reusable containers. Like this would be a plastic baggie, and we've switched it out for this reusable, which you can just grab on Amazon for like $5 or something. So if you want to get in on this challenge and start to make a difference and an impact on our oceans, comment down below and let me know if you're switching out your single-use plastics and trying some reusables like us. Because we do it, and we do it good, don't we? You should see his face right now. Turn the camera around. He's like this. Alright guys, let's get back to the video. Now it's time for Seth Cam. Make sure.
Going to get the cooler, and I got to put more money on the parking meter thing.
What'd you get?
Cooler.
By the way, you can drink on this beach, so that's what we're gonna do.
Mango.
Cheers!
Wait.
Yeah.
Put your bucket hat on. I want to see what it looks like.
Why does it look good? Look at the camera so I can get this shot.
Wait, you're gonna drink this? Really? I'd be. Okay, I have a question for you.
What?
If you were a pizza delivery man, delivery woman,
Okay.
and you had a pair of scissors, what would you use it for?
On the job,
Yeah.
I probably would stab the boxes. Maybe cut the pizza. Cut a piece of pizza for me.
Scissors?
There's some people cut pizza with scissors. It's a thing.
No.
What am I drinking? Wrong answers only.
Ketchup.
Sicko. What am I drinking? Wrong answers only. Comment down below. You guys probably can't even hear me. We're walking down by the water and we're heading over to the pier. I want to show you guys Cocoa Beach Pier. And there's actually I think a restaurant in the middle of it / gift shop. And then towards the end of the pier, there's like a tiki hut bar, which I don't know if we're gonna get drinks or not. Maybe not, I'm not sure. We'll check it out and show you guys. As we get like progressively closer to the pier, you can see that there's just like way too many people. Like, what'd you call it?
COVID town?
COVID town. Yeah, not liking this at all. So if you come, you should probably try and stay away from, I don't know, the hundreds of people. Just a guess.
It's a great spot.
We are by the main entrance if you pay for the outrageous $20 parking. And this is the pier all the way down to the end right there. And guys, as soon as you get within like 50 yards of this place, you just are hit with fried seafood, right? That's what that smells like? Or like fried calamari. It smells so good. Oh God. It's testing me. Okay, so right here by the main sign, they're taking temperatures and requiring masks on the pier, which that's pretty awesome. So you won't get COVID up here, but you might get it down there. So there's that. Right. So here's the little gift shop. It's nice, huh? There's the beach.
And I hear people say, oh, he's just a fool, and she
important. So this is the bar right here. And then if you keep walking, you can find, it says Riki Tiki Tavern and the end of the pier on that side right there. I'm gonna try this way. Seth, I'm gonna go in here. I don't know where this goes, but it might go to this way.
Where are we?
Oh, Riki Tiki Tavern. Okay.
Just kidding.
All right, so guys, oh my God, I'm sweating. The pier. The last time, I've only been to this beach once, right? And because of COVID, you have to make reservations. You can't just go up to the bar and order drinks anymore. And they had as you saw, an abrupt halt on the way to the tiki hut. But I think there might be a controlled way to go through the restaurant, but you still need reservations or something. Is a bit much, you know? Yeah. So we were just kind of like, whatever. We'll get a couple cool drone shots and just hang out on the beach for a little while longer and then head home. But I wanted to give you guys that update. It's a bit weird, not gonna lie, but I mean, everything's gotta be weird now because of COVID. So just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an inside scoop right then. Alrighty guys, that concludes today's episode of the Florida Beach Tour. Cocoa Beach, Florida. You're pretty beautiful. I did really enjoy it. We had a great time today. The weather was gorgeous and we enjoyed a nice drink on the beach because you can drink on this beach. The water was a little too chilly, but it was beautiful nonetheless. So thank you guys so much for watching this episode. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to make sure that you are staying in the loop with all of the Florida Beach Tour content and just travel content in general. Thank you guys so much for being here. I will see you in the next one. Bye.